When it comes to creating stunning, intricate designs on miniature pumpkins, the right tool makes all the difference. Our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits are specifically engineered for precision, durability, and versatility. Qualities that are essential for anyone looking to elevate their pumpkin carving game, especially when working on mini pumpkins. Let's dive into how you can use a micro carbide burr to craft detailed patterns like stars, moons, or expressive faces on these tiny canvases. First, let's talk about why carbide burrs stand out. Made from high-quality American-manufactured carbide, these tool bits are designed to maintain their sharpness and resist wear even after repeated use. Their micro size allows for exceptional control, letting you carve with confidence and accuracy. Unlike traditional pumpkin carving tools, which can be too bulky for small pumpkins, our carbide burrs are perfect for handling delicate work on surfaces only a few inches wide. To start, select a clean, firm mini pumpkin. Wash and dry the surface to remove any dirt or residue. Choose the design you want, whether it's a constellation of stars, a crescent moon, or a tiny mischievous face. Lightly sketch your pattern onto the pumpkin with a pencil or washable marker. This gives you a clear guide to follow as you work. Secure the mini pumpkin on a stable surface, perhaps with a towel underneath to prevent slipping. Attach the micro carbide burr to your die grinder or rotary tool. Make sure your tool is set at a manageable speed. Too fast, and you risk chipping the pumpkin surface. Too slow, and you might not get the crisp lines you're aiming for. With a steady hand, gently guide the carbide burr along your sketched outline. The burr's sharp edges will glide through the pumpkin's outer skin with minimal pressure, allowing you to follow even the most intricate curves and angles. For stars and moons, use a pointed or tapered burr to achieve clean, defined edges. For faces, swap to a rounded or flame-shaped burr to add depth and contour to features like eyes, noses, and mouths. One of the biggest advantages of using a micro carbide burr is the ability to control the depth of your carving. You can create shallow surface etchings for subtle glowing effects, or dig deeper to cut all the way through, creating openings that will allow candlelight or LED lights to shine through. This versatility means you can experiment with both surface detailing and traditional cutouts, all with a single tool. As you work, take your time. The precision of our USA-made carbide burrs means you don't have to rush. Every line, dot, or swirl can be executed with care. If you make a mistake, simply adjust your design or use the burr to smooth out any rough edges. The tool's durability ensures it will maintain its sharpness even after multiple pumpkins. Once your design is complete, wipe away any pumpkin debris from the surface and admire your handiwork. The crisp lines, smooth curves, and fine details will stand out beautifully, turning your mini pumpkin into a true Halloween masterpiece. Display your creation on a table, windowsill, or doorstep for all to enjoy. If you found these tips helpful and want to see more creative uses for our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see your own Halloween mini pumpkin designs, so be sure to leave your comments and share your experiences below. Happy carving, and have a spooktacular Halloween!